Hey, hi, welcome to Kids Lab. Hope you all are going well. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. And another request is that kindly watch this video till the end and do not skip the video. In today's video, we are going to learn that how to draw different type of angles: 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 22.5 degree, likewise. And this type of angles also we have drawn in the most previous video. You can go there and watch this video carefully also. I can recommend that video too. And today's video we are going to paste those angles. So this time this video is going to be colorful one. Yes, this time this holiday homework is based only on this art and craft. So we are going to give different colors to this holiday homework. So first of all, let's put the margin over here, and for the margin I have taken the varieties color of sketch pens. Likewise, in the first half we have taken that blue color and pink color, and the second one is the pink color and green color. Similarly, any color of sketch pen, but use the sketch pens or the wax color to put the margin from all the sides. If you are doing it in your homework copy, which is not in the A4 size paper, definitely it is in the small size copies, then in one paper you can paste the two angles only. Do not make it clumsy, okay? Then only it can look beautiful. And also try to use different colors of papers, okay? So let's start this. So for this we need the color papers, geometry box, and this a pair of scissors, glue, and also this one, the smiley one, that is extra one you could have or else not. So the first one is the 60 degree angle. As you know how to draw the 60 degree angle, so first of all we need to draw any ray or line segment. So first of all, use your ruler to draw the line segment. Then mark any of the point by using your rounder or the compass and the pencil. And it is already given the instruction that how to use this compass and how to put the pencil, how to tighten this one. You can go through those videos to see this. So the first arc which has been drawn from the 0 degree, that one is the 60 degree. So first of all, we will mark it both of this point with the help of this nib of this compass, and then we will join both of these points like this. Yes, this one is 60 degree. As we need to cut it and paste it over, so here we have to draw another triangle, okay, and from these lines we will cut it. If possible, we could actually cut it according to the angle, but somehow for the 150 degree or else for 30 degree it will not look so good, so I will cut it according to the triangle. You can give them the proper size if you can do that, but this is the easiest way. That one angle I have drawn it as 60 degree. Don't bother about the other two angles, okay, but just measure that whether that 60 degree is correct or not. So here you can see that the angle has been drawn, that one is 60 degree, and there I have drawn, I will punch this one, which is a smiley one, so that it will show the angle part. So this one is 60 degree. Now we will apply some glue over here, and we will paste it. This one is 60 degree. Proceeding to the next angle is 120 degree. So here also we will apply the same formula. The first step is to draw the line segment. The second one is to point with the help of the nib of the compass Then the first arc from 0, that is the 60 degree. From 60 degree to the second arc is 120 degree. So again mark that one with the help of the nail of this rounder, not by the pencil. And then we will join these 2 points, that is the central point and the 120 degree. Then to cut this out, we need to join these 2 ends also, so that it will give you one triangle. But actually we are going to mention only the angles for which we will use the punching machines there, or else you can make the angle sign over there. Now this one is 120 degree. So now we need to cut from this lines. This one is 120 degree. I have used here the smiley one. You can use any punching if you would have with you. Okay, so now apply some glue on its back side and then paste it over there in the given space. Use the normal glue. Do not use the Fevicol and all. It is not required. Do the arrangement and paste it over there. So this angle sign which has been given, or the smiley one, that one is 120 degree. You can use the protractor to measure that one also. This is called the cross checking. C number 1 is 30 degree. As you know that how this 30 degree can be drawn, that it is the exactly divided between 0 degree and 60 degree. 0 degree plus 60 degree divided by 2 will give you 30 degree, or half of 60 degree. So first of all we will draw 60 degree, and then after from 60 degree we will draw one arc, and from 0 degree we will give another arc. When these 2 arc will meet, that cross point is called as the 30 degree, and then we will join the central point and this 30 degree one, and you will get the 30 degree angle, and then we will cut this out. Okay, so if you have forgotten about how to draw all these angles, already the video has been given. You can go through that video once again, I am telling you. So here this one is 30 degree done, and if possible you can punch this one. Yes, that is possible. So you can punch it over there, and here the smiley face is drawn here. Now we will apply the glue on its back side and then paste it on the given space. This is the C1 and paste is firmly. So here it is done. This one is 30 degree. The next one, D part, is 15 degree. So 15 degree can be formed by the exactly half of 30 degree. So beforehand we come to know that how to draw the 30 degree. So write that, just draw this, and this is the left faced angle. So from 0 to, first of all, the first arc is 60 degree, then from 0 to one arc, and from 60 to another arc, and their meeting point, or that one is your 30 degree. So here we will just draw the dotted line so that we will get the 30 degree arc on our main arc, and then from 30 degree and 0 degree we will draw the arcs, and their intersecting point will give you 15 degree, and then we will join these 2 points, that is one is the central point, another one is the intersecting point. So here we will get this 15 degree angle. You can check it with the help of the protractor. So can you see? Yes, it is exactly 15 degree. So now we just need to cut it. And as there is very small space, so here we are not able to do the punching. That's why it is not possible. Here you can draw this. Okay. Now it's time to apply the glue and paste it on the given space. See, constructing angle is not that difficult. This one is very easy one. Once you get the control over the rounder or the compass and the ruler, then only you can do this. So it's all need about your practice. If you do so, you can achieve. as here not able to use the punching machines, that's why drawn here the smiley face, because this is the angle of 15 degree. Now come to the next one, 90 degree. For this we will draw the line segment, then we will draw the arc. From 0 degree we will first draw the first arc, that is 60 degree, and from 60 degree the second arc is the 120 degree. Now we will draw the two arcs from 60 degree and 120 degree. Why? Because 60 degree plus 120 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 180 degree by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. So their midpoint will give you exactly the 90 degree. Then you can join this intersecting point and this central point and you will get the 90 degree. Okay, and now you will cut it according to the lines. So here this 90 degree is done. Now use a punching machine to punch it, and this smiley one is the 90 degree. Apply the glue on the back side and then paste it over the given space. This one is exactly 90 degree. Now come to the next one. We will use the alternative colors. Okay, so these are the papers that I have already used in my previous video, so I am going to utilize them. You can use any other colors also. So first of all, here let's draw the arc. It is all about the arc, and this one is very easy. Then 60 degree, then 120 degree, then 90 degree. So you may be confused that why again 90 degree, but this time we are not going to draw the 90 degree. Here we will just put the dotted line so that we will get the arc over there, and then from 90 degree one arc and from 60 degree another arc. Why? Because 90 degree plus 60 degree divided by 2 is equal to 150 degree by 2 is equal to 75 degree. So you can check it here. Yes, it is exactly 75 degree with the help of the protractor. Yes, the next one is 75 degree. Now we will draw just the another side so that we can get the triangle, but here the main motive is to draw the one angle only, and that one is 75 degree angle, and we will cut it from that 75 degree angle only. So this 75 degree angle is done, and we got the cut piece. Now we will punch this machine, and this angle is 75 degree. Apply the glue on its back side. The same steps we are going to follow, and then we will paste it over here. Let those arcs and those marks should be there so that it will look original. You have not copied it from anywhere else. Now again the pink color one I have taken, because the alternative colors I have already told you that we are going to use that one. So draw the line segment, then draw the whole arc which will from 0 degree to 180 degree. Then from right side the 0 degree it is 60 degree. Again from 60 to another arc it will be 120 degree, that you people know. Next from 120 degree one arc will be drawn, and from 0 degree another arc, 180 degree another arc will be drawn. Then it will give you what? 120 plus 180 degree divided by 2. It means is equal to 300 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 150 degree. So what we come to know that the exactly between 180 and 120 will give you 150 degree. Okay, so now we will extend the line and we will join other 2 points also so that we will get a triangular shape, and then we will cut it with the help of our mini pair of scissors. Okay, so this one is also very easier one. If it is not visible to you, you can go for the previous video. Before 1 year I have uploaded that video. You can go for that one. Okay, and always remember that whenever you are constructing any of these angles or this constructing the triangles, quadrilaterals, for this the right measurement devices are very useful. Nowadays in the market many colors of scales or the rulers or the compasses are available. Kindly don't buy those because it is not going to give you the right measurement, and because of this color also the number exact point will not be visible to you. So it's my kind request that kindly buy the transparent one, okay, and the right device like from Natraj or from Domes. Actually these are going to help you. This will give you the right measurement. Okay, so here we have finished this cutting this out. So you can see that it's a very smaller one and it won't fit over there, so we are not going to punch it. Okay, we will just apply the glue right now and we will paste it over there. As you can see here, this one is the thinner one. That's why first do the placement properly where it should be placed so that it can be placed or pasted properly. Okay, and fix it properly, then only apply the glue. And you can see that it is very thin one, so kindly apply the glue properly also. Okay, do this carefully and try to make this activity really colorful. You can use for all these 10 angles for the 10 colors also. You can use them. Okay, so the main important thing is to make this maths activity colorful. It should be. Let's move the next one. For that you need to draw the line segment, then from one point you will draw the arc from 0. The first arc is the 60 degree, from 60 to the next arc is the 120 degree, then from 120 degree and 180 degree when you will draw the arc you will get the intersecting point. It means again it is 150 degree. Am I going to draw? No, don't get confused. So 150 degree is the dotted line shown here. It means the next angle will be drawn here. From 120 degree one arc, from 150 degree another arc. So what's the angle it is? Just think. This one is 120 degree plus 150 degree divided by 2. Exactly in between these two angles is equal to 270 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 135 degree. Yes, this is the method where we can draw 135 degree. So what we come to know that if you need to draw the any of this angle, you need to find out that what is the two angles you can draw, in which in between you can draw the exactly between them. Okay, so here just use your cute little scissor, handle with care, carefully use that one. Do not cut your fingers, you just need to cut the paper. So here let's check this one. So this is the protractor and we have checked it. It is 132. Yes, it is exactly 135 degree. Yes, we did this. Similarly, you can also do this. I know it. Now use the punching machine to make it the angle shown it properly. Then apply the glue on its back side and then paste it over there. The same process we are going to follow. So this one is 135 degree. See how easy this one. You can also do this. Now move to the next part. So here also I have used this exactly the same one, and already you can see the bottom line is exactly the straight, so no use to draw any line segment here. Okay, or else you can do this. So I am not going to do this here. Now I just need to put one half complete work, means 180 degree. So first from 0 to this one is 60 degree, the first arc. Then from 60 to the second arc is the 120 degree. Then from 120 degree to one arc and 160 degree, from 60 degree to another arc, that one is 90 degree, that we know. 120 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degree. But here we are not going to draw the 90 degree once again. So here from 90 degree, that intersecting point, we are going to draw one arc, and from 0 to also another arc, so that we will get what? Now 0 plus 90 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 90 degree by 2, which is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so here the 45 degree angle is drawn. Okay, we can check it also by using the protractor. So here is the center point, here is the baseline, and this one is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45 degree. Wow, we did it. Okay, without any baseline also. You can also do that, or else you can draw the baseline. Okay, now by using your little scissor, just cut them out. Now use the designer punching machine and then make the design there. Press it. It's done. So 45 degree angle is also done. Now apply the glue on its back side and then paste it over there. Now for the next one, draw the line segment, then from any point draw the arc of up to 0 to 180 degree. Then the first arc from 0 is 60 degree, from 60 to second arc is the 120 degree, from 60 to and from 120 degree to draw the arc, it will give you again 90 degree. So are you going to do that one? No, we just need the dotted line of this 90 degree so that we can get the 90 degree on its arc. Okay, yes, for that point. Now from 0 degree draw 1 and from 90 degree from 1. So which one is this? As we have already discussed, that is 0 plus 90 by 2 is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. But 45 degree recently, right now we have done this. Okay, so which one? Again we need the dotted line. So from 0 to 1 arc and from 45 degree to another arc, and their intersecting point will be what? 0 plus 45 degree divided by 2, that is 45 degree divided by 2, which is 22.5 degree. Yes, our next angle is 22.5 degree, and here it is done. Now just use your tiny scissor and cut them out this angle, 22.5 degree. This is the half of the 45 degree angle. Okay, so now just measure this one whether it is correct or not. Yes, exactly 0.5 degree is not there in the protractor, but 22 it is crossing that one, so it is 22.5 degrees. So using the punching machine, just make the angle, then apply the glue on its back side, the same one, and then paste it over there. So this one is 22.5 degree is done. Here we done, and we have completed our activity work, and this one is as beautiful as like this. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and stay tuned for not this next part, but stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.